You always hear about SpaceX, but you don't see other space companies get as much love. So I want to give you 6 companies that are doing absolutely awesome things in the space for you to check out. The number one is a company out of Finland and Poland called ICEYE. They are building satellites that are equipped with SAR. It stands for Synthetic Aperture Radar, and it can see through clouds and darkness. Number two is the Exploration Company. They've raised the largest Series B round ever known for a European company, and they're focusing first on capsules. This is Nyx, or the goddess of darkness, according to ancient Greek mythology. And it has some of the most advanced materials covering it so that it can not only transport things to space, but it can act as a micro space station independently for anywhere from 30 to 50% of the price to other competitors. And the incredible about this capsule is that it's reusable. Founded by Alan Hubie, who has an insane track record in space and technology, their entire mission is to make access to space more collaborative, greener, and more sustainable. Number three is a super young company known as Spatium, and they're building gas stations in space. They have created a technology that will allow them to store fuel very safely and for multiple years at a time in orbit, which is just unheard of. They were in one of the most recent YC batches, and these mechanical arms are actually going to be fixing spacecrafts at the same time. Number four, another Finnish company, Kuva Space. They are using hyperspectral imaging satellites, a type of technology that can see through the Earth's crust and collects intelligence that is invisible with the naked eye. They combine this with artificial intelligence in order to be able to provide real-time intelligence to farmers, governments, and big construction projects, for example. Needless to say, also a huge defense application, but we could probably say this about any space technology. Number five is very different to the rest, so let me know if you figure out why, but it's ICER Aerospace. They're headquartered in Munich, Germany, and recently made history for launching one of the first rockets out of Western Europe. It took flights up north in Andoya Spaceport, and although they got only 30 seconds of flight time before needing to terminate it, they're one of the major players into giving Europe access to space. Last but not least, StarCloud is a company that's building data centers in space. Data centers are currently consuming 2 to 3% of all of our energy resources and are projected to consume up to 10 or 15% in the coming years. So I was incredibly excited when I got the chance to sit down with Philip Johnson, their CEO, and talk all about the incredible technology that they're developing in order to make this a reality. So which one's your favorite and which ones did I miss? Because there's so much happening in the space.